guys, Riding with Dre. We are on our way for a memorial ride. Registration's at from 11 to 12:30 and it's 12 right now, so we're gonna head down there. So we're just getting here now. It's at the local Harley Davidson. I'm here with the bro on the Ninja 300, and I think Ben will be there as well with his SV. Yeah, perfect. Where is it? For the show? Oh. We have police escorting us out. So last weekend I did a KTM demo ride, but it was for their dirt bikes. And I test rode a 350 4-stroke, 250 4-stroke, and a 250 2-stroke. Basically what happened was I tried going off of a triple. I went flying off of it. I did not balance my bike, or the dirt bike. Yeah, I was in midair, straight up, pointing right up to the sky. And basically I did the whole triple jump, like midair, like 30 feet up in the air, all in a wheelie formation. I landed. And what happened when I landed, the bike suspended, and then I whiskey throttled the throttle, and the bike just took off, but I was still holding onto the bike. As I was whiskey throttling it, I went flying off of a turn in midair again, at about 10 feet up in the air, and I saw the ditch, and I'm like, okay, like, this is not going to be good. I smack into the ditch. I basically roll the bike, and the bike was flying into the forest, and I am laid down on the ground without a bike. And the bike was a 2020 250 2-stroke, brand new. I didn't get in trouble for it. I didn't get kicked out. I was still able to ride another bike. They just had to fix the other one. That's why I haven't posted in a while. I think it's been about 6 days now, 7 days. And that is because I was sore. I wasn't riding the sport bike. I wasn't riding the dirt bike. I wasn't riding anything in a while. I was trying to recover. My back and my neck were just in pain. This RAM mount, after I installed it, first of all, the install was super easy. If you guys haven't watched that video, I will link it in the description, or you guys can click on one of these cards up above, and I'll put the assembly video on. But this mount is like perfect. Like, you get all the notifications. All I really wanted it for was for GPS and notifications anyway, just in case there's an emergency and someone texts me in an emergency, I can see it pop up on my phone. Instead, I can ride it on the street, hitting like as much potholes and bumps, and this does not even move. Not only does the mount doesn't move, but the phone doesn't even move. And I've also been riding at, and this is not the best windscreen, but I've even been riding at like over 100, and it still doesn't move. It's perfect for what I want it for. Well worth the money. Like I said in the other video, I paid like $90 something for it. 99 I think I came out to, and well worth the money, guys. so sketchy. Okay guys, so I think we're gonna end the video here. Remember, riding with Dre.